I am productive all the time. I have a healthy mental health. I love working. I love being productive. I am man- I am able to manage my time. Working is always fun. Being productive is fun. Every time I work, I am happy. I am immune from burnout. I have strong mentality. I am immune from laziness. I am immune from doom scroll. I am always focused on my goal. I am energetic. I am passionate with my work. I am focused. I have strong willpower. I am healthy physically. I am healthy mentally. I am happy if I am working. I am fast at working. I have the most optimal results from working.